I'm Tony, and this is my wife, Frances Graham from Huntsville, Alabama. We went on the 13-day Made in America music tour. It was our first caravan that we had done with Fantasy, but we had done a couple of rallies before, and we were really impressed by the way that went with the organization that had gone into the tour, the staff that helped out and all. We love the Made in America music tour. We love the caravan way of traveling. Everything is really organized and done well for us. The trip logs made the driving days remarkably easy to navigate. When we got to the campground on the first day, the wagon masters and tail gunners said, "This is your vacation, and we're here to make it your vacation. So just let us know anything that we can do for you."
So with the Made in America tour, we're native Tennesseans, and so part of it was in Nashville, Tennessee. And since we have friends and relatives around there, every time we would go to Nashville, we would spend time with family and didn't really ever get to see the sights and the attractions in Nashville. And so that was one thing that was great for us on that. Same thing in Memphis. We went to school there, and so there were a lot of things that we knew about but had never had time to go and investigate, and see. So it was good to be able to see things, again, that you don't normally include in your travel. The first tour that we went on was the Kentucky Derby tour, and we throughout all the tours that we've been on, we have met the nicest people and, picked up new friendships along the way that have been persistent, and that we've done other trips with, outside of the whole Fantasy RV tour. But it's just so easy to not have to worry about planning or tickets or any of that, to just be able to show up and go on vacation.
We would really recommend Fantasy to friends because of how much we've enjoyed it, the friendships that we've made. We think it's a great way to do RV travel.
A lot of times you end up seeing things that you wouldn't necessarily have picked out to put into your travel plans, but it's just added to the whole dimensions of the tour.